Welcome back to another video. We got another unboxing for you guys. I did do a live cop last week, or last Thursday should we say. Last week. I don't know what day it is today. It's Sunday. We did a live cop last week. We actually didn't do anything on the bot. We just went manually on the phone. And I'll do a little example because I don't think I made a video on it. But yeah, we managed to hit. There they are. Size. Wow, we've only got a 36. Accessory. Add to cart. So on hats. Cart. Palm trees. Thank you. I have red. That's Apple Pear done. We get the Q skips. And we got it. Woo! Two of the items of the free were personals. One of them was just like a hat because I thought, you know what? Let's give it a try to see if it'll actually resell. And that was the Spyder beanie. But yeah, we got everything here. Go check it out. Leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff if you are interested in this kind of content. Also, another thing. I didn't actually show you this on the Frank Rosetta unboxing. But we're wearing the t-shirt. I just thought it was really cool to wear. So yeah. But I sell the sticker pack though. These are for the winter tees. If you guys can see, we got some stickers, and we got a Grinch one. We got that 94 one, and I think that's that weird looking girl one with the red eyes. Oh, here we go. We'll do this one first. As we can see it right here, we got the beanie. This is the Spyder beanie, and we got this in the black and the red. I just thought out of the three colorways, this was probably the best one to go for, so I went for this one. And yeah, I must say, it looks pretty cool. Got the sticker there, and we also got the back of the beanie. It just has like a Spyder logo on the back, but most of it's on the front. It's a sick beanie. I think it looks pretty cool. Does it have Supreme on the front? It does, yeah. It does say Supreme on the front. All right, next item will be a small one, which is here. All right, so everything is here. Perfect. We got the keychain. The keychain. This is the Paperweight one. Now, if you don't remember, this was an item that was meant to be released back in 2017, and unfortunately, it got cancelled. We don't know the reasons for why it got cancelled. I think most people are speculating that it was just friends and family. But essentially, the keychain was supposed to mimic like $1,000 stack. But actually, it had two $100 bills, and the rest of them were all ones. I'm just gonna look into it. It looks good detail on it. You can see the lines in between it to simulate the amount of money in between the brick, should we say. Cool little keychain. I think these actually sold out in America, but I believe you can still get these now. But yeah, that is it. And then this is the other side. If it was you know, there we go. I'm using the iPhone cinematic camera, so it's making everything look a bit blurry, which you can tell by the background. It's a lot more blurry than it is on the normal camera, which the normal camera isn't actually as blurry. It's cool. I like it. I think these are I think I have this keychain, and we have the tiger one, which I think is my favorite. But yeah. So these, I was like waiting for like weeks for these to finally drop. They were supposed to drop like weeks ago, but then they got delayed. And if you don't know what they are the double knee denims. I don't usually wear double knee pants or jeans in general, but I couldn't say no to these. I think these were very unique. I don't know if you can see them, but they are the Liberty colorway is what they're calling them. I thought it was like a washed black. It is a black, but it's got like a print all over them. And my God, I think in person these look way cooler than they are in pictures. You can actually see the print really, really well. I'll just go back and show you these. So sick, honestly. These are my personal. I don't know if I want to try them on because I've literally just went out for dinner, so I feel like it might not attack on the waist, but you see the print. It looks sick. And you can see the double knees on the front. Hopefully you can see it. We have this Supreme like thing here. Not sure what that's for, but nice deep pockets. I like that. Deep pockets on the front, the double knees. I'm not sure what. These are sick, honestly. Honestly, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I went for these. Now, strangely, when I did the drop, they didn't actually have any size 38s. I'm not a size 38. I normally wear like a size 36. But I was contemplating thinking, do I go down to a 34 because, you know, I'm trying to lose weight? Do I go down a size to try and like motivate myself? Put these on. It's like a challenge. But I went for a 36. Just because why not? And they did sell out, and I gotta say, they look so sick. Very nice. I will do some other pictures from them. Perhaps maybe in the future we'll, you know, try them on. But yeah, that design's based off the Liberty sweatshirt. If you remember, either week 1 or week 2, they dropped the hoodie version and the sweatpants, and that's the denim version of it. But I gotta say, that's a really unique colorway, and it looks really, really good. Honestly, I'm actually kind of impressed. I wouldn't say it's worth the money, but I'm still impressed regardless. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. I will do some more videos in the future regarding some of those items I've just bought. The double knees, we'll do some try-ons on my shorts channel, so if you are interested in that, you know, go subscribe and do all that cool stuff, because it really does help out the channel. We're trying to get to partner, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We need 1,000 subscribers to get to partner. We're all good. The views wise, we'll just have to, you know, keep making content and hope you guys enjoy this type of content. So if you are enjoying it, you know, why not? So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on another video. We are pretty much near the end of Supreme. There is one more week to go. I think that'll be after Christmas. Not sure if I'll be going for anything. I don't think there's anything of interest in my opinion. And yeah, pretty much I'm saving my money because I spent a lot of money. If I don't see you guys before Christmas, have a great Christmas, have a happy new year, and hope 2024 has been good to you, and fingers crossed 2025 will be even better for you and me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in another video. Peace.